Hmm, we have a new experimenter. Great! Because today we are going to create our own atmosphere. We are going to explain the mysterious water cycle with a fun experiment. But first, what do we need? We need a bowl like this, because this is going to be our ocean. We need a little glass bowl like this, that will be our land. We need some pieces of ice, some salt, a pair of gloves, because this experiment is extremely dangerous. But I know you are superheroes and you have superpowers and you will do it. And we need hot water, very, very hot water. So we are going to start. Let's see. Firstly, we are going to create our ocean like in the earth. So for this, we are going to put on our gloves, because this is the dangerous part of the experiment, like when you fight against a villain like Magneto, you know. So we are going to protect us, because we are pouring in the hot water in the big bowl. You see? I think it's enough. Or maybe more. Yes. And what kind of water do oceans have? Yes, we need to add some salt. And we stir it up. Our ocean is full of water. And now the land. We put the land in the ocean. So now we are going to create our clouds, like a storm control the weather. For this we need plastic film like this. We put on the plastic film here. Our land, our hair is running in circles, like in reality. Rotation, you know. And we are going to put on the plastic film carefully. We are going to avoid the gaps, okay? Okay. We have our clouds prepared. And now we are going to create our cold atmosphere. For this, we are going to place some pieces of ice. This one, because my atmosphere is very, very cold. And we put the ice on the clouds, and in this way we are going to see how the water that is evaporated because of the heat of the sun that is here, very, very hot, is evaporating, but with the contact of the cold atmosphere is going to be condensed, and the clouds are going to create precipitations like in the real world. So we are creating our own mini atmosphere in Earth. And then we are going to see how the water arises from the oceans in form of vapor and then precipitates in form of liquid because of the condensation. And we are going to see how is the mysterious water cycle. But for this, we are going to wait for 10 minutes. So don't go so far away because I'm waiting for you. Now it's 6 minutes later and we can see the condensation on the clouds and how the condensation is precipitating with the mixture of the cold atmosphere. You are here, my little students. Sorry, I felt asleep. So it's 10 minutes later now. So now we are going to see how the condensations have created precipitations in our land, and we are going to check it. So for this, we are going to take off our cold atmosphere very, very carefully. We have some water here, so we are going to take off the plastic film with very, very careful not to pour in our land. Now there are not more clouds in our sky. Our sky is clear. Okay, and we are going to check how much precipitation we have here. You see? A lot. We are going to pour in here to see it very, very well. See, a lot of precipitation, you see? So all of this amount of precipitation has been created because our water in the oceans was being evaporated by the sun, and then it was being condensated in our cold atmosphere, and then in the clouds, from the clouds, this water who was transformed into liquid again was pouring in our land, and this way this water goes back to our land, our rivers, our seas and our oceans, and the water cycle continues again and again. So now you have the storm's knowledge, you know her secret, and now you have the power to control the weather and the water as well.